Hello everyone, my name is Kaushal. So this is the video number 7 of the Python series. In this video, I am going to discuss about the another one of the data type of the Python, which is the dictionary. So in this notebook, I am going to discuss about the what is the dictionary, why we use it, and how to create the dictionary and access the key value pair, adding, updating the and deleting the items, and how to look the dictionary and different dictionaries methods. After that, I am going to discuss about nested dictionary, dictionary comparison, merging the dictionaries, and at the last giving the comparison between the different data types like list, sets and tuples. At the last, I will give you the code for the real world fintech example, which cover all the concepts that I discuss in this Python notebook. Now come to the section number 1. What is dictionary? So dictionary, you can say that it is a key value pair. It stores the data in the way where there is a key and there is a corresponding value. See the example. This is the dictionary type, and starting the curly braces and ending the curly braces. Inside this one, we provide a different value in the form of key and value. First one is the key and second one is the value. And what are the different property of the keys dictionary? Yeah, it contains the key value pair, it is ordered, it is mutable, it does not contain the duplicate keys, and it is also have the fast lookup. Time complexity by it will take the O of 1, and it will contain the mixed type of the data values. Now how to create the dictionaries? So for the creating the empty dictionaries, we use the curly braces and using the dictionary method, it will create the empty dictionary. See the output here. And by using the curly braces and providing the key value pair, it will create the dictionaries. See the example here. Printing the stock dictionaries in it will print like that, and the type of the stock is class dictionary. And next one is the dictionary constructor with keyword argument. Inside the dictionary constructor, providing the key value pair, comma key value pair, comma the value pair. In this way, it will create the dictionary. First one is the key and second one the value. See the output here. And we can also provide the different data type inside the curly braces, like this is the string, this is integer, this is the integer, and this is the float, and this is boolean, this is the list, and this is none type. So we can use a mixed value for the dictionaries. See the output of here. And by using the to list, we can create the dictionary using the zip method. So zip method, first list act as a key and second list can act as a corresponding key values. So this is the first one list, and second is the price is also second list, and we use the zip method and convert it into dictionary. So it will give the output like that. Reliance 3050.7 TCS, corresponding value, these corresponding values, and it will create the dictionary. And duplicated, suppose there is some duplicate In those cases, the last one value wins. See the example here. We define the dictionary in this way. Reliance has a 3000, TCS has a 4000, and Reliance again has a 3050. So when we are going to print these values, dictionary will provide the value of 3050, not 3000. It removes the duplicates, right? So you can see here, Reliance is 3050 and TCS is 4000. How to access the dictionaries? Yes, using the square bracket, uh, inside the square bracket providing the keys. So it will print the values. See the output here. What there is issue, suppose there is no key available inside the dictionary, in those cases it raises the errors. So for that, there is the second way to access the key with the help of get methods. So it returns the none or default value if key is missing, does not reach the keys. See the syntax: stock dot get, this is the dictionary dot get corresponding keys. It will give the output in this way, and here there is a high, that key is not presented in the dictionary. See, there is no key available, the high. Here it will returns the error, but in the here it is written the null. Suppose you don't want to print a null, you can also provide some default value by providing the second argument in this way. So this is the second way to accessing the values of the dictionary. Now come to the how to add or updating the item. First one is add the key value pairs. Suppose first one is stock, this is the key and this is the value. This is the key, this is the value. So same dictionary, these key value added at the last. See the output here, exchange NSC and volume 20,000. We can update the existing key by using this method. Suppose see here the price is 3050.75, and if you want to update this value, we can use this method. We can use in this way: stock key is equal to assigning a new value. So it will assign the new value. See the output here, price value has been updated. Here this is the 3050. Now using the update method, if you want to add or update a multiple value at once, in those cases we can use the update method. So here in this example we are adding these two key value pair and also update the existing key, that value is 3120. So the see the output of this one is, see the price is 3120, and at the last these key value pair has been added in the existing dictionary. Now there is set default method. So we can use the set default method if we don't want to raise the error and add some default value if key does not exist. So with the help of set method exchange NSC, after adding the new, you can see the NSC. If key already exists, it does not change its value. So this is the difference, the set default. In the update, it updates the original value, but with the help of set default, if you don't want to update the dictionary, use the set default. If the key exists, its value does not update, and if there is new key value pair, it will add it. See the output here. Here we are trying to update on trip 4 times 9.99, but it does not reflect here. So this is the use of set default. Now next one is how to delete the element using the delete and dictionary and corresponding key. It will delete the key value pair from this one. But there is a drawback. Suppose there is if you want to delete any item for that key does not exist in existing dictionary, in those cases it will return the error. For avoiding this feature, we can use the pop method. So whenever we want to pop some particular key, so we can provide that key, so it will remove that key value pair. And if we don't want to if you don't want to raise any error in the code excuse me, sorry. So in this case we can define the some default value. So in this case you can see that there is no high keyword inside this dictionary. So whenever we are going to pop, it will returns the 0 and returns the remaining items. Now there is one more method, pop item. So it will remove and return the last inserted key value pair. So this is the latest string. So if we use the pop item, so it will remove the last one. So see the output here. And if you want to clear all the value, yes, this is standard method dot clear. It will clear all the key value pair. Now how to view the keys value and key value pair? Using the key method, we can access all the keys, and using the stocks dot value method, we can find out all the value of dictionaries. And if you want to print all the key value pair as a tuple, then it will use the stocks dot item. So it will print all the key value in the form of tuples. And we can also convert these tuples into list. Yes, this is the list. Now this is the example of using the in. As we already saw in the previous video, the use of in is whether that key or value is available inside the dictionary, it will return the true, otherwise it will return the false. But this is the use of in. Now how to loop through the dictionaries? One way is using the for loop. So if you want to loop over the key, it will provide the key. It will loop over the value, it will provide the value. If we using the key value pair in this way, it will provide the key value pair. One of the way of this one using the for loop, and loop through the multiple stocks same way, dot items, and print all the key value pair. Now comes to the nested dictionary inside the dictionary. So in this variable there are the 3 dictionary which are inside the one dictionary. So this is called as a nested dictionary, and we can access this value is by using the key and value pair. So suppose this is a nested, first key is the reliance and corresponding value we want to print. So we can print the value in this way. And second way is dot get. So this is the safest access because it does not raise the error. If key does not exist, it returns the default value or none. If we are not going to provide any default value. This is the example of nested dictionary and compute some profit and loss. So you can go through this code. Now the come to the dictionary comprehension. Same like a list comprehension and tuple comprehension, we can also use the comprehension inside the dictionary also. Same concept, using the for item iterable, if some condition satisfied, it provides the key value pair. See the example here. These are the two lists and we are converting into dictionaries. So by looping this and we providing the, this is the key and this is the value and print it here. This is the manual way. And second way is the with the help of comprehension. Same the way for S and P in zip, provide the key value pair. Yes, see the output here. And we can also use some condition like suppose is greater than 0, corresponding key value pair. We can reverse, we can also doing the some manipulation in V and value and key also, like here we are changing some value based on some calculation, it will provide the corresponding values. And we can invert the dictionary by just using the swap key value. This is the key value, original value is this one, and here we are doing the dictionary compression for key and V, just interchange V on key. So in this case, in this dictionary, this can act as a key and value as a key, and this is act as a value. So you can see the just swapping the variable, we can invert the dictionary. See the output here. This is the inverted dictionary and this is the original one. Yes, you can also manipulate the key also using some upper lower something function. See the output here. Now we have already see the example of how to merge the dictionary, how to merge the list. Now come to the how to merge the different dictionary. Using the update method, we can update the different dictionary. So update will merge in place. So second update will merge in place. And suppose there is some key value that are common between two dictionary, then the second dictionary builds on conflicts. What does it mean? Suppose see here, there is infi, that value is here, and in the second one the value infi is this one. So whenever we merge, so this will override the original value. So in the see the output, see. So second dictionary means on conflicts. Second means which are inside the update method. Second way is unpacking, using the double star before the dictionary of both and put inside the curly braces, it will merge. Same concept, override the second one key value pair if some duplicate exists. Now comes to the third method, using the pipe argo. Just using the pipe, it will merge. And the same way, the value of key value of this dictionary will be wins over the first one if some key value pair are common. some keys are common. So last one will be the win, or you can say the rightest one will be the win. So see the example here also, in fee value is 1721. If you want to print the NSC value, definitely you can interchange, give the second after the pipe, so it will print the that corresponding key value. Now comes to the sorting your dictionary. You can use the sort the dictionary on the basis of key. So just using the price dot items method and use the sorted and convert into dictionary. So it will sort on the key. So if we are going to alphabetically, first one is Bajaj Finance. So see the output of Bajaj Finance. In the same manner, it will print the key value pair. Suppose you want to print that dictionary sorted on the value, yes, we can do also here, but using the sum lambda function by defining the new key. Like see the example of lambda x is equal to x1 means x0 and x1. So this can be acted as key, and you will print the, it will sorted according to the second value type, and it will print the on ascending order. And if you want to do the descending order, by providing the reverse is equal to 3 as a second argument. So we will print the output on descending order. See the output here. Highest price is this one, and lowest price is this one. Here lowest price is first one and highest price is this one. And suppose you want to top 3, yes, you can do also in this way. I will print the top 3 expensive 1, 2, 3, reverse 3 and print out the top 3 expensive. Now this is a quick reference of different method that we have discussed. Original will printed like this. If you want to using the key, it will print the key, that's corresponding value. Using the get, using the key using the value, it will print the value. It will item, it will provide the key value pair. You can update by using the corresponding key and assigning the new key value. And you also using the update if you are updating more than one key value pair of the dictionaries. Set default, yes, you can provide some default value, and removing pop item and delete. And others one is how to copy, provide the length and clear methods. So these are some methods for the dictionary. Now come to the section number 3. If you want to count the collections default of, so we can use all the default dictionaries. There is two use cases. First one is default dictionary and second one is how to count the number of value of a corresponding keys. So first one is default dictionary. If we use this method, in this case it will never raise the key and it will have some default factory. So default value is empty list. So this is the list. For this list we are accessing through the for loop and store inside this dictionary. So in this case, if we are going to first time, no key error exists. So see the output here. Now second means count the occurrence automatically. So suppose you want to count the Reliance, how many times Reliance is come inside this one, how many TCS is come inside this one. So without using the counter, yes, we can use the manually in this way. This is the list, we access through the list and assign to the dictionary of manual count of stock manual count dot get stock. If some get, if it does not have any stock, it provides a 0 and adding one value of is incremented. So in this way it will provide the manual counting of each stocks. See, the stock is 4, TCS is 3 and fee is fine, Wipro is 1, and you can see the count here. Now second one is with the using of counter, only one line method. From the collection you import the counter and just give the argument of this list, it will provide the count in this manner. So multiple line of code can be converted only one just by using the counter method if you want to count how many times of a key value exists inside the dictionary. Now this is the comparison between the different data types of the Python. Yes, dictionary can be accessed by key, list can be accessed by index, and tuple can be indexed by also accessed by index. It is ordered after 3.7 plus version. List also ordered, not ordered, tuples also ordered. Mutability, yes, you can mutate the key value, you can mutate the list also, set also, but you cannot mutate the tuples. Dictionary, duplicate may no duplicate key will be exist inside dictionary. Yes, duplicate may exist, here no duplicate, tuples may exist. Fast lookup is order and time complexity wise O of 1 and list wise O of n, set wise O of 1 and tuple by O of n. Use for key value data pair. If you want to use the key value data, you use the dictionary. If you use the ordered items, list. If you want to unique item, set, and fixed records, use the tuples. So this is the comparison of different data types that till now we have discussed in this video series. Now this is the mini project. So go through the codes. It will cover all the concept that I have discussed uh, in this dictionary concepts. So just go through the code and understand. And at the last one, this is the quick revision. You can say that dictionary cheat sheets. So create the method empty by using a curly braces, by using a key value pair, by using a dictionary method, key and value, and using the from the to list using the gem method and convert it into the dictionary method. It will convert to dictionary. So this is the way of creating. This is the way accessing corresponding key dot get dot key some defined value. If that key does not exist, provide the defined value. Add or update by assigning the d value. If you want to add or update the multiple key value pair, we use the update and set default. Add only if key is missing, otherwise it does not change the original dictionary value. Delete, pop item clear. Views dot key dot value dot item, as already given the example above. This is the summary I am going to discuss here. For loop, we can use the for loop in this way. Searching in provides the true if it exists, otherwise it provides the true. Merging by using the pipeline, by using the asterisk sign, and by using the dot update method. This is the in place. Updation exists, updation happens. And sorted method, yes, sorted method say we can sort on the key. You want to use sorted on the value, we put this lambda function. Compression, yes, you can use the compression in this way. And some static dictionaries like default, no key error if default is list, and counter it will provide the count occurrence. So hope I'm able to provide the good concept about the dictionary, and I hope you like my video. So if you like my video, kindly give in the comment section and like and subscribe my channel. In case any feedback, feel free to give me the feedback so that I can come with the new concepts and provide the more clarity in your language if some issues arises. So thank you so much, and in the next video I am going to discuss about a different conditional statement like if, else, if, as, with some real example. So stay tuned, see you in the next video, and thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.